Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Victor, local and long distance movers near me. Here are the solutions we offer with our long distance moving services: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. When you hire us for your long distance move, you can stay relaxed during the moving day. Our experts will perform all the tasks responsible to make your moving day stress free. No matter how far you need to move, we can help make your move so much easier. Several people don't hire an Idaho moving company and try to do it on their own. The heavy lifting tasks often lead to injury or broken items. You can avoid all these issues when you entrust professional movers with the task of moving your possessions locally. With years of experience in the industry, 30 Movers knows how to handle small and large moves within a few hours. We follow honest practices to protect your items. Our expertise in this field always helps us meet the expectations of our clients. Your relocation becomes our responsibility. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Victor Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.